Writing style engaging. Have you ever wondered how to squeeze every penny out of each hour your 3D printer is running? I'm here to help you do just that. Let's dive into the why of maximizing profits for every 3D print hour. First up, efficiency is king in the world of 3D printing. What I mean is, choosing the right projects can make a huge difference. For instance, smaller, quicker projects might seem less profitable, but they often turn around faster, allowing for more volume. It's all about finding that sweet spot between project size and total printing time. Now let's talk about optimizing your print settings. Speed isn't the only factor. You'll need to balance it with quality. Sure, cranking up the speed can cut down hours, but at what cost? Lower quality prints might not sell or could lead to unhappy customers. Adjusting settings like layer height and print speed can optimize both time and quality. Materials matter too. Investing in bulk supplies of filament can reduce costs per print significantly. Also, experimenting with different materials could open new markets. For example, using eco-friendly materials might appeal to environmentally conscious consumers, potentially allowing you to charge a premium. Then there's the aspect of machine maintenance. A well-maintained printer is a reliable printer. Regular checks and cleaning ensure your machine runs efficiently, reducing the risk of failed prints and downtime. This is crucial because downtime is basically throwing money away. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of niche markets. Customization is a huge trend. Offering personalized options or diving into a specific niche can really set you apart and let you charge higher prices. It's all about adding value that your customers can see and are willing to pay for. So there you have it. Boosting your profit per print hour isn't just about pushing your printer to its limits. It's about smart choices and efficient management. Keep experimenting, keep optimizing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what your 3D printer can do. Happy printing!